This is Emerson doing the cinnamon test for the second time in a row.
This is only because she's really stupid.
Okay, go.
I can't do it.
You can.
I needed a bit of water first.
Eat that cinnamon.
Whee!
Yeah, that's for you, Justin.
From Tabitha.
Okay, go. It's 22,
All the way.
25 seconds. Go.
Oh, shit!
Can you breathe?
I'm ready for the tap water. This ain't good.
Can you breathe?
Where's the water? Where's the water? You okay? Emerson? Kids, don't try this at home.
Oh, try it.
Try it at a church like us. May God be with you.
Ooh, throw up.
Shut up, Tabitha. She's in pain and misery.
Yours was way better than mine was.
I think the first one was longer. Oh, turn
Ew.
the camera off, dude.
Throw up. Ew.
Let me get your hair there. Oh, it's in it. It's in it.
Don't touch her hair, man. She looks like she's on drugs.
I'm trying to hold your hair and rub your back at the same time.
She's the giver. She's giving Emerson memories.
Oh, shit. Sorry for swearing, Mom.
That was real throw up that time. No, honestly, that was just throw up.
Thanks for letting us on the information. We really wanted to know that. Tell me if I'm hurting your hair, okay?